skin, but skin is going to have texture, and I don't think there's anything that can completely erase that except a filter. Hey kitties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Marilyn and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, lifestyle. So if you know that you like that kind of stuff, it's a great time to go ahead and subscribe, or wherever the button is down, go subscribe. Okay kitties, so we are getting into a little bit of glam, some makeup. I really wanted to try out the new Nars powder because of the claims, and I was looking for a new powder, and I definitely want to go ahead and, you know, check out some reviews and then go ahead and grab it. But there weren't many reviews for people of my complexion. I felt like a more deeper skin tone, so I didn't really see much, so I just went ahead and brought it, and we'll go ahead and try it on camera. The exact name of it is the Soft Matte Advanced Perfecting Powder, and I have the color Seafront, which is the darkest shade. Now this is not a foundation powder, so it doesn't come in a ton of shades. It's a pressed powder. But let's get into the claims. So this is supposed to be a multi-purpose skin perfecting powder that controls shine, blurs imperfections for up to 24 hours without dry, cakey feel. It's infused with skin smoothing niacinamide. This talc-free formula minimizes the appearance of pores. You can wear it alone or over foundation to set makeup. So right now I do have on foundation. I have on the Dior Backstage foundation, which is a very lightweight coverage. I didn't want anything that covered too much or smooth out my complexion too much, because we want the powder to do that. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I have on the Dior Backstage. It's in 6.5, and we're gonna go ahead and try this powder. What else does it say? I mean, that's about it. It's medium coverage, matte finish. It's a pressed powder. They have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shades. Yeah, about 8 shades. And I have the darkest one, which is Seafront. Okay, so let's go ahead, and I'm gonna finish my makeup because I don't have on my concealer and all of that. I only did the base, the foundation, just to save time, and I did my, you know, my eyebrows, put on some lashes. But we'll go ahead and finish it up on camera, and then we can get into the powder. Okay, all right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and clip my hair back to get my hair out the way. I got these super cute clips from Amazon, y'all. I use these to pin curl my hair. I use it to clip the hair out of the way, like when I'm doing my makeup, but these are so cute. And I got them from Amazon. It comes with 20 pieces, and I'll definitely go ahead and link them in case you are interested. But we're just gonna pin this hair out of the way and get this makeup, this beat done, because I can't wait to try this powder. I love complexion products, if you don't know. So yeah, that's kind of up my alley. Okay, I was trying to find some reviews, and I just couldn't find anyone that I can relate to as far as their complexion. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the concealer. Okay, honey, so I'm in close and personal. Okay, so let's go ahead and get these under eyes. The concealer that I'm going to use is by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and this is in the color, it's the Magic Touch concealer in the color 18. Okay, so I'm just going to put this under my eyes. I probably should have grabbed a mirror, but for now I'll just use the camera. Okay, actually I'm going to use a mirror. I don't like this. Okay, y'all, so I have a mirror because yeah, this is much better. Now I just want to mention something about the powder. Is it me, or I get very annoyed, not very annoyed, but I think it's so dumb for makeup claims to say things like, oh, it provides coverage for 24 hours or anything for 24 hours, because who the hell really has this makeup on for 24 hours? At this point, you're really just throwing out numbers. 24? Like, I don't need this makeup for 24 hours. And there's not many people out there trying it. At least I don't think. Don't keep your makeup on for 24 hours. If you're doing that, if you sleep in your makeup, don't do that. Don't be like that. But yeah, a 24-hour claim to me is just like, girl, at best, I might have this makeup on 12 hours. At best, okay? Okay, y'all, so I have that concealer blended out. I'm gonna immediately set my under eye with this Beauty Bakery powder. And it's in the color Plantain. It's a very yellow powder. I don't use it as much, so why not use it tonight? Okay, so I'll just go ahead and press this under my eye just to set that concealer before I move on to doing anything else. All right, so now we're gonna get to bronzing, because what's a look without bronzer, girl? Like, So I'm gonna use this stick here. This is by Thread, and this is in the color Rich Brown Cool 180. So this is in here. I got it from Target. I really love this. It blends out so perfectly, and the color is right on. So I love this. It adds the perfect amount of warmth to my face without being too red or too harsh. It's just a perfect color. So I really like this. I'm just putting this on the sides here just to bring that color back. I low-key can't even really do my makeup without doing this step. It's like, what's the point? If there's no bronzer, what's the point?
You a clear mind, might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you gonna waste your time, don't waste your time with me. I mean, honestly.
Do y'all see that? I made my nose crooked. Can you see that? Do you see how this line goes in? So now it looks like I have a crooked nose, but I can fix that. But I was looking, I was like, is my nose leaning? And it was.
And I and I'll be where I be. If you ever hit me on the late night, I'll give you a clear mind, might give you some insight. I'll share my world with you. If you gonna waste your time.
Okay, so we have sort of the base laid down, okay? So this is what it looks like so far. I'm going to pull out the powder out of the packaging. It came in this, I mean, y'all probably know what Nars packaging looks like. It came in this little black box, white lettering, like they always do, the soft matte texture of the packaging. So this is the powder here. It does come with a little mirror. Let me just show you the color so you can get. So this, yes. So this is the color. Okay, so I'm just gonna swatch a little bit on my hand before I put it on my face. But it feels really good. I just hope it matches me. So this is what the color looks like here on my finger. Hold on. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and get into the powder. I'm gonna use this brush here. It's a foundation brush. It's very densely packed, so it's gonna pick up quite a bit of powder. And we'll just go ahead and apply it to the face and see how I like it. Can you guys see? I'm trying to come. It's very sheer, so it doesn't have a lot of color, which is great. That may be the reason they don't have as many shades, because it's not necessary, because it's a finishing or like a setting powder. Okay, So right off the bat, I love the I love the powder, okay? I wish you guys could see it in person. It's a really nice powder. You see how much brighter this highlight is? It's a lot more on this side. The makeup is not as smooth as this side. Like the transition of colors are just so much smoother on this side versus this side. Can you see? All right, so let's go ahead and do the other side. All right, guys, so far this is what it looks like. I am going to go ahead and put powder bronzer on, but I really like the way this powder looks. I like the way it feels. It's extremely lightweight. It's definitely for my girls that like a matte look without too much coverage. You just want to mattify your face. Oily people, my oily girls, get this. Get this, okay? If your skin is dry, you don't need this. You don't need this. If your skin is dry, you don't need it. It definitely mattifies the face. I wouldn't say that it's super matte though, but it definitely mattifies the face and it smooths out texture. Does not erase texture, okay? It does not erase it at all, but it does minimize it by at least 50% to me, okay? Because I can still see texture on my skin, but skin is gonna have texture, and I don't think there's anything that can completely erase that except a filter. Only a filter can do that. So I don't expect a powder to do it, but it does a great job in smoothing my complexion and making me look good. Okay. Okay, Kitty, so this is the completed look. I would absolutely positively recommend this powder, especially for normal to oily skin. If you have dry skin, of course, I wouldn't recommend any kind of powder really. But if you have normal to oily skin, it definitely smooths out the complexion. It's perfect for the summer. When the summer gets here, you're gonna need this. So I absolutely love it. It looks great. It blends my makeup very well, meaning like it just blends all the steps together. It blends the highlight with the concealer, with the bronzer. Everything just looks really nice and really smooth. And the color, it's barely any color payoff, but it's just enough to just smooth out the complexion, and I love it. Again, the color that I have is Seafront, and that is the darkest shade that they have. So that shade can go for quite a bit, a few different, you know, complexions, because it's so light in coverage and color. So yeah, but I love it, and I think it was worth every single penny, because who doesn't love a smooth complexion? Okay, so this is the closest you're going to get to a filter in real life, okay, without actually being a filter. Okay, so I love it, and I love the way it looks. It looks great here on camera. It looks great in my mirror. To me it looks better in person, which is a good thing, but it looks better in person to me than it does on the camera. But it looks great on camera, but in person, girl, that's what counts. Okay, so I really love it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you've tried this, I really want to know, you know, your experience with it. Leave that in the comments. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Don't forget to like the video. Don't forget to come back, subscribe, do all of that, or subscribe now and then come back for a new video. Okay, kitties, thank you so much for watching. Bye.